The ocean is home to many mysterious creatures, but few are as fascinating and elusive as the thresher shark. With its sleek body and long, whip-like tail, this apex predator has captivated marine biologists and ocean enthusiasts alike. Today, we dive deep into the life of the thresher shark, exploring its unique biology, behavior, and role in the marine ecosystem. The most iconic feature of the thresher shark is its enormous tail, known as the caudal fin, which can be as long as its entire body. This tail isn't just for show. It's a powerful hunting tool that the thresher shark uses to stun and catch prey. There are 3 species of thresher sharks: the common thresher, the big-eye thresher, and the pelagic thresher. Each of these species has slightly different physical characteristics, but they all share that remarkable tail. Unlike many other sharks, threshers are known for their large eyes. This adaptation helps them hunt in the deep, dark parts of the ocean where light is scarce. Threshers can grow up to 20 feet in length, with their tails accounting for nearly half of that size. While this tail is a key weapon, their streamlined bodies help them achieve impressive speeds, making them agile predators. What makes the thresher shark truly unique is the way it hunts. Unlike most sharks, which rely on their sharp teeth and powerful jaws to catch prey, thresher sharks use their tail as a weapon. Their tail isn't just for propulsion, it's a whip. Thresher sharks have been observed using their long tails to herd schools of fish, then delivering a powerful slap to stun their prey. This hunting technique is incredibly efficient. The impact can disorient or kill small fish, allowing the thresher to feast on its incapacitated prey. But this tail comes with a trade-off. Thresher sharks don't have the same brute strength in their jaws as other sharks, such as the great white or the tiger shark. They depend on precision and strategy over raw power. It's incredible to watch these sharks in action. Their tails are like underwater whips, striking with such force and accuracy that it's no wonder they're so effective hunters. But they're not just brute force, they're intelligent and calculated in how they use this tool. Thresher sharks are found in both deep and shallow waters, but they prefer the open ocean. These solitary creatures often remain at depths of around 1,600 feet, far from human reach. However, they can occasionally be spotted near coastlines, especially in areas rich with schooling fish. Unlike some sharks that prefer to roam along the ocean floor, threshers are pelagic. They live in the open sea. They can be found in tropical and temperate waters around the world, from the coasts of California and Japan to the deep waters off the Philippines. Threshers are generally solitary creatures, though they've been seen hunting in small groups on occasion. Their elusive nature makes them difficult to study, but we do know they're capable of traveling long distances, possibly following prey migrations. Like many sharks, thresher sharks give birth to live young, called pups. The females typically give birth to 2 to 4 pups at a time, and these newborns are already quite large, sometimes up to 5 feet long. Thresher sharks have a slow reproductive cycle, giving birth only once every couple of years. This, combined with human threats, makes them vulnerable to population decline. Thresher sharks can live for 20 to 30 years, though their exact lifespan varies depending on species and environmental factors. Despite their impressive abilities, thresher sharks are vulnerable to human activities. Overfishing and bycatch, the unintentional capture of sharks in fishing nets, pose significant threats to their populations. Their slow reproductive rate makes it difficult for them to recover from heavy fishing pressures. In some areas, thresher shark populations have declined dramatically over the past few decades. In response, conservation groups are working to establish marine protected areas and implement stricter fishing regulations to help preserve these incredible creatures. It's crucial that we act now to protect thresher sharks. They play an important role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. And without them, the entire ocean food chain could be disrupted. Threshers have fascinated humans for centuries. Their unique appearance and behavior have inspired myths, stories, and scientific curiosity. While they may not be as well known as other sharks, like the great white or hammerhead, thresher sharks are just as awe-inspiring. As technology improves, marine biologists are discovering more about the mysterious lives of thresher sharks. Satellite tracking, for example, is helping scientists map their migration patterns and understand how they interact with their environment. With ongoing research and conservation efforts, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the majesty of the thresher shark. A truly unique and fascinating fact about thresher sharks is that they leap completely out of the water in a behavior called breaching. While breaching is more commonly associated with species like great white sharks or dolphins, thresher sharks have been observed launching their entire bodies into the air. What makes this even more intriguing is that they often perform spinning jumps, sometimes twisting their long tails in the air like an aerial acrobat. These breaches can be incredibly high, sometimes reaching several feet above the water's surface. Scientists are still not entirely sure why thresher sharks engage in this behavior, but there are several theories. Some researchers believe it could be a way to dislodge parasites from their skin, while others think it might be a form of communication or a display of dominance. It could even be a technique for stunning schools of fish, using the momentum of the breach to launch into a rapid dive and strike with their tail immediately afterward. This breaching behavior is quite rare among sharks and adds to the mystique of thresher sharks, making them one of the ocean's most aerially acrobatic and enigmatic predators. As we come to the end of our journey exploring the thresher shark, it's clear that these remarkable creatures are more than just another predator of the deep. Their unique hunting strategies, incredible use of their tails, and their enigmatic behavior make them one of the ocean's most fascinating inhabitants. From breaching high out of the water to creating powerful shock waves with their tails, the thresher shark is truly one of nature's most finely tuned hunters. But beyond their physical abilities, thresher sharks play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. As apex predators, they help regulate the populations of smaller fish, ensuring the health and stability of the ocean's food chain. Without them, the effects could ripple through the entire ecosystem. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.